So as you know, school is about to start. So I want to make sure you are prepared for our digital art project. You're going to need Sketchesschools, and I'm going to show you how to download that app if you don't have it. So you're going to go to self-service. It's the icon with the green, blue, yellow, and red square. And it should say self-service at the bottom. You're going to tap it. And then your page should read home, so you should be on home. And you might see Sketchesschools right away, but if you don't, that's alright. You can scroll through by moving your finger up and down the menu to look for Sketchesschools. But if you still can't find it, you're going to hit that magnifying glass at the bottom left-hand corner and type in Sketchesschools. Then you're going to hit install or reinstall. It'll ask you if you want to install or reinstall. Reinstall just means that you already have it downloaded, but if you've never downloaded Sketchesschools, you're just going to hit install. Then once you started installing Sketchesschools, it'll start downloading and you should have the app. You can go ahead and open it, and there is your sketchbook. Don't worry, I will guide you through how to use Sketchesschools once school begins, but for right now, just make sure you have this app downloaded.